Hello, and I'm back with another video, and today we are doing a Meesho haul again, but this time it's a bottom haul, like an all bottom haul. So I found these amazing affordable bottoms on Meesho which are so trendy and so in style. I was like, I need them. Meesho is India's #1 earning app where more than 1 crore resellers earn more than 25,000 rupees a month. And with zero risk and zero investment, you can start earning sitting at home. If you're someone who wants to work from home, if you're a housewife, you want to work from home, earn some money, definitely Meesho is the app for you. So how to use Meesho? Watch the video till the end to know. And till then, अगर मीशो डाउनलोड करना है तो देयर इज़ अ लिंक इन माई डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. अगर आप उस लिंक से मीशो डाउनलोड करते हैं सो यू गेट 100 रुपीज़ ऑफ और 20% ऑफ विच एवर इज़ मोर फॉर द फर्स्ट ऑर्डर दैट यू प्लेस. That is amazing, and these are already so affordable. Upon that you get 20% off or 100 rupees off. That's even cool. So let's just start with the haul. So the first thing that I ordered is a skirt. Look at the print. I love the print. I cannot explain to you the material of it, but I'm slightly disappointed with the material because it seems like the curtain ka material, not the cloth material. But I am in love with the print of this, so definitely gonna style it with something. With the black t-shirt I'm wearing, definitely it's a very casual, chic college outfit. But for the material I am a little concerned about the material because ये wash के बाद इसका क्या होगा I don't know. But if you like the print, you can definitely go for it. So the second thing that I got is another skirt which has a beautiful print, and both of them are from the same seller and they came in together. So the material for this one is also the same, but for this and this, if I compare, I'm comparatively leaning towards this one because this one still feels okay. I don't know how the material can differ from same seller, but this one still feels okay. So I'm definitely gonna wear this one someday somewhere because it goes with my black outfit and I have a similar pink stole. So definitely this one is a thumbs up for me. So moving on to the next one, I ordered a lot of bottoms, so I'm gonna show you. So moving on to the next one, my favorite out of all the pieces is this one. It's a palazzo, a printed palazzo. It has elastic on the waist, on the back of the waist, so it's I think it can fit to, okay, they have sizes. I thought it's free size, but they have sizes. This is medium. It fits me perfectly. This one has this V, if I don't know if you can see the V pattern. It's a high waist palazzo that you can style with oxidized jewelries and stuff. I am in love with this one. This one is my favorite piece out of the lot, and the material is good too for palazzo. For a simple palazzo, this is the material that you would find in the salwar kameez ka palazzo. So yeah, it's that material. It's not the one that you would find in a palazzo that's a formal wear. It came in a pack of 3. The other is this, and the third design is this. So you can choose which 3 combos you want. You can choose from the catalog. These are the 3 palazzos that came in together, but this one steals the show. मैंने यही देख करके मंगाया था, और दूसरा मुझे ये भी बहुत अच्छा लगा था. बट for this one I think the issue is this one is meant to be high waist, but it is not. I tried, but it's not high waist. And the most weird thing about these is they have only one pocket. They have only pocket on one side. I don't understand why, but this red one, again beautiful print, the same material as that one, but I just noticed, which I forgot to tell you about the first one, is they have a double lining on the top. Transparency का issue नहीं है. Material is scarf वाला material, but these are very light plazos that you can wear and sleep, and even wear it with a black, white, or even something that goes with this t-shirt and with a stole. It would look amazing, and with oxidized jewelry you can definitely go for a boho look with these. Okay, so moving on to the next ones, let's show you some plain ones. So these are some plain pants, like an ankle length pant with 2 pockets. Very important, pants should have pockets. Without pockets, pants are of no use. With elastic on the back, and in the front it's a band, so it gives you a very formal look. So this comes in pack of 4. So this is one, pink. This is the second one. This is a navy blue color. Next one is this is an electric blue, and the last one is a pista color pant. So with these you can go for a formal look with a shirt tucked in, stilettos, and a good bag. It can give you a formal look, as well as if you want to go for a casual look, t-shirt, stole, juttis are gonna look amazing. If you want to go for a short kurta on this, would look amazing with oxidized jewelry. So this is multi-purpose, you can get them. You can choose your combination जो भी चाहिए. मैंने ये 4 का combination चुना, ये 4 colors का. Although ये दोनों काफ़ी similar हैं, but I like the 2 of them. Okay, so the next one is, okay, this is a very beautiful piece. इसका प्रिंट कुछ ऐसा है, मल्टी कलर्ड स्ट्राइप्स. कुछ ऐसा नहीं है कि मतलब एक्स्ट्रॉर्डनरी सा हो, बट दिस गिव्स यू वेरी बोहो वाइब. ये बहुत ही बोहो वाइब वाला बॉटम है. ऑल ऑफ द बॉटम्स दैट आई हैव ऑर्डर्ड, मोस्ट ऑफ देम हैव वेरी बोहो वाइब्स. मतलब you pair it with a plain t-shirt and with oxidized jewelry, stole, all of them, they are gonna look amazing. So yeah, and again the thing is, it has only one pocket. The other side there is no pocket. Did they forget to make one more? But the material is superb. The material, I would say, this is by far the best material I've seen. Okay, so the next one is a pant. आजकल बहुत चले हैं वो फ्रंट नॉट वाले पैंट. तो आई गॉट वन इन स्ट्राइप्स. कुछ जेल वाले स्ट्राइप्स लग रहे हैं, बट दिस इज़ अ ब्यूटिफुल वन. लाइक्रा का मटेरियल है इसका. I would have liked it if it had pockets, and in the picture the bow that tied was looking a little different from what it came, but whatever, for the price that it came in, I think I'm pretty satisfied with this one. The next one is I think I just said that the plazo was my favorite piece, but I'll give this one the same position because it's a skirt with frill in front and अंदर में इट्स पैंट, अंदर में दोनों तरफ इट्स पैंट, ऊपर में इट्स फ्रिल, सो इट गिव्स पैंट स्कर्ट, इट्स अ पैंट स्कर्ट। और ये आगे ऐसे पूरा नॉट होता है, दिस इज़ अ प्रॉपर नॉट वाला वो, सो दिस वन हैज़ टू बी अनदर फेवरेट। Now coming on to Meesho, as I told you, Meesho is India's #1 earning app where it takes zero investment and zero risk. You can work from home, you can earn sitting at home by just reselling things to people. How to do that? I'll just show you. Open the Meesho app on your phone and choose the product that you want to order. Check the sizing and everything. Now, add to cart. Choose your size and press continue. It will take you to your cart where you can choose your preferred payment method, like I chose cash on delivery. Now press proceed. Now here comes the part where you can add your margin, like the product price for this one is 565. If you want to earn a margin of 100 rupees, you can type in 665 and you can see 100 rupees margin. And if not, you're buying it for yourself, you can type the same amount given below, 565, and you see the margin is 0. Press proceed. Now you have to choose your shipping address and then press proceed. Now you'll see your order summary, place your order, and your order has been successfully placed. And you can also track your order. So now you know how Meesho works. The margin that you earn is gonna directly go to your account. There's no wallet that you have to make transactions of. It is gonna be transferred to your account directly. And don't forget that if you download Meesho from the link that is in my description box, you get 20% off or 100 rupees off, whichever is more. Meesho is one app which gives you great clothes in style, trendy, at a very affordable rate. So definitely go download Meesho and follow the steps that I showed you to how to buy products. You can buy it for yourself, you can resell it. If you're buying it for yourself, you have to just put in the margin as 0, and if you're selling it to somebody, you just have to add in your margin, and your margin will be transferred to your account directly. That is so cool. So we are done with the haul. I hope you guys liked it and are gonna buy some pieces. Products will be given in the description. Just type in the product code on Meesho and you'll find them. Just buy them. I'll see you guys next time with another video. Till then, अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो प्रेस द लाइक बटन, अगर बहुत अच्छा लगा तो शेयर विद योर फ्रेंड्स, योर फैमिली एंड एवरीबडी यू नो. नीचे सब्सक्राइब का बटन है, डू प्रेस इट बिफोर यू गो इफ यू आर सीइंग मी फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम. आई विल सी यू गाइस नेक्स्ट टाइम. टिल देन, साइनिंग ऑफ.